In today's video, I'll teach you how to fix login approval needed on Facebook. So if you're trying to log into your Facebook account and it shows login approval needed, there might be various reasons behind it. In order to solve it, what you can do is simply try using the recognized device or browser. For that, simply open Facebook on the device that you previously logged into. Here I'm just going to open it from the browser. So for that, click on the search bar and type in facebook.com. Press enter. After you do that, you can see over here you'll be led to the login interface of Facebook. From this browser, I've already logged into my Facebook account many times. So what you can do is simply enter your credentials over here, enter the email or mobile number and password. After you do that, click on the login option. Now in your recognized device and browser, you can see over here you'll directly be logged into your account. Now after you're logged in, what you can do is simply access the notifications by clicking on the notification icon that you can see on the screen. Now over here, you'll be able to see the approval message. From here, you'll be able to approve the login in another devices. So like this, your problem should be solved. But if you do not have the recognized device or browser with yourself, what you can do is simply try using the other methods for logging in. In that case, what you can do is simply recover your account, or you can also log in by using the backup codes. After you do that, your problem should be solved. So these are only the methods that you can do in order to log into your account if it is showing approval needed. So that is how you fix login approval needed on Facebook. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.